Hi. Okay. Hi, I'm Moxxie and welcome back, or I guess welcome period if you've never been here before. I like makeup. I'm guessing you like makeup. That's why we're here, right? Today has been a roller coaster. So buckle up, kitty cat, because I am gonna yap. I already recorded this whole video. I already did this makeup. I had issues with my camera's battery because my dumbass thought that if I connect my camera to my computer, it'll charge even though the computer's off, right? So after that hard slap in the face when I sat down to record, I fixed everything, I waited it out, whatever, recorded the video. I connected the camera to the computer, I passed all of the videos to the computer, I left it connected, turned off the computer, went to do some other stuff, came back to edit the video. I recorded everything in slow-mo. Isn't that fun? So I'm like, it's fine, we'll do it again. I don't like how it looks anyways because everything was so much bigger. I sat down to record. It was great because I had already cleaned my face. I recorded a whole 8 minutes before my camera was like, no battery. Because guess who put the fucking camera on the computer to charge while the computer was off? Guess who did that? I did that. After a lot of trials and tribulations, you have received the video today. You're welcome. Love that for you. Anywho, I wanted to do a little bit of a sticker makeup, sticker glitter, like a lot of stickers on your face type thing. I know it's like super 2022 or whatever, but I never tried it and I think it looks really cute. I hope you enjoy it. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna say thank you for watching in advance and I hope you enjoy the video. You're buckling up for this ride with me, like it or not. Can't exit the video. Sorry. So yeah, let's go watch that. My eyebrows and my primer are already done. What I want to do is I want to just put like a white base on my eyes first. So I'm going to use the About Face Fluid Eye Paint, and this is White Noise. And then with my finger, I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit, and then this is gonna lose some of the white, but that's kind of what I want. I want it to be like a white-ish base, but I want it to be able to like blend out into like my skin. And the reason why I want there to be like a white-ish background to the makeup itself is because I want the colors to pop a little bit. So now that that's done, I'm gonna set it with powder. I believe it to be a necessary evil. From there, because I have to do stuff all over my face, I am gonna do my face slash contour slash everything else, and then I'll be right back. So the two liner brushes that I'm going to be using are the About Face one and the BH Cosmetics one from my traveler package. The first one I'm going to be using is Replicant, and I'm going to do one of these. A tiny little sparkle. And then I'm just going to like create distance between these things because I'm going to put different colors in different spots. I want to do a little star here. And then some of these things are gonna have like a border, like an outline that's gonna be a different color. So if I have one or two that aren't perfect, then that's fine. And then that's where we're gonna leave the blue for now. And then what I wanna do is, this blue is already pretty beautiful, but I don't want to mess any of it up. So I wanna set it. I'm gonna set this specific blue with the shade, I believe it's called Rai Rai from the Illuminati and Eaze palette. We're done with Replicant for now, and I want to go into La Zona Rosa, which is this like dark dusty-ish pink. I'm gonna do a little heart over here. Okay, actual little star. Cool, cool. And then obviously the same on the other side. All right. I need to breathe between these. This liner tip is a little big, so we're gonna do a little dot on both sides, and we're gonna do another little heart. This darker pink I'm gonna be setting with Pink Fever from the Pink Religion palette. Because it's such a dark dusty pink, like I mentioned earlier, I want to set it with a color that's maybe a little bit more vibrant, because dusty pinks are supposed to be a little bit more muted. So it's not that it's not pigmented, it's just that it's not like as pink as I want it to be. These are still not as small as I want them to be. Then we're gonna use the pink one, the light pink one. The light pink one is on point. And then this one's gonna be pretty easy. We're gonna do more or less the same thing. We're gonna do a little heart over here, a little heart over here, a little sparkle over here. Next I wanna do yellow. We're gonna go with its Blitz. It's gonna be the same, more or less. Little sparkles for everything. To set it, I'm going to be using Shooting Stars, also from the Lucky Charms palette. Next, we're going to do orange. And for orange, I'm going to use White Noise and then just set it with the orange color. Okay, and then we are gonna add like regular white to it just to like contrast it a little bit. So we're gonna do that after setting it, this one with the orange. And then the orange is You're in Luck on the Lucky Charms palette. So we're gonna pinch it to get thinner lines. I'm gonna use the little one for these because it's being a little bit of a bitch to deal with the big one. Okay, whatever. It is what it is with the orange, okay? Now we're gonna go with the actual white. I don't have a lot of space left anyways. I'm just gonna set that with some just regular powder. Okay, this is the hard part. We are going to do outlines for a couple of these. Okay, well, taking a little break, I figured out that I didn't have green and purple, so I did a couple of those. But what I wanted to do was outlines. I did a little outline on that little pink heart over there. What I want to do is I want to do a little bit more purple on other ones, like this little star right here. It's not perfect, but sure. So far, so good. Next, we're gonna go with On Point, which is the little pink. And this one, I'm gonna use it for these little blue stars. Good. And we're not gonna outline everything. We're gonna leave some stuff as is. I just wanna outline some of them for variety, I guess. And then I'm gonna go in with the dusty pink with La Zona Rosa, and I'm just gonna outline some green things that aren't really very visible, like this star. Not only am I not like great at this, I'm not great at it at all by any means, but I'm also blind as a bat. And then the hearts that you also can't see because they're green, I'm gonna outline them with blue. And the blue that I'm gonna be using is Replicant again. Because you can't really see the green very well. It's not like a super noticeable green. So that's what I'm gonna leave the outlines at. And then the only part that we have left are the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm gonna use, if you were here on the M.A.C video, I'm gonna use the Quick Flick because you know I fell in love with it last time. And then I'm not gonna pay super attention to like the top part just yet because I am going on top of that with blue, like just like on top of it. I'm gonna grab Replicant, and this is gonna be the hard part for me because I feel like this brush is a little stiff. I'm gonna go into this little hole in my eye, like not into it, but outside of it. And I just wanna make sure that it's at least clean-ish or clean enough. Then we're gonna go with On Point and go on top of that blue. Okay, so On Point is on point. And then for the top color, we're gonna go with New Karma. That's the purple one, which is also the one that I use for my face. Ooh. This is so hard, Jesus Christ. Okay, we messed that up, but we can clean it up. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, first I wanna clean it up on top. This is so stressful, doing like these fine, tiny little lines. This is my practice. I'm practicing with you guys, okay? So that should be fine. We're gonna go back to Replicant because we're gonna use Replicant on our actual, like an actual eyeliner. Whew, that was stressful. Okay, next eye. Great. I'm gonna leave them closed until this dries because I don't want it to get fucked up. I'm gonna go back in with this just to kind of clean up the black. We're nearing the end, friends. We're gonna do setting spray. Wait, actually, I almost forgot. I gotta do my nose because this is supposed to meet in the middle. If you guys were not here to keep me accountable, I'm gonna do my nose off camera because I need some sort of concentration. So I'll be right back. Okay, that's done. And now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. And if you, again, watched the M.A.C video last time, you'll know that I fell in love with the McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara. So that's what we're gonna use today. Gotta be careful in the inner corner. I don't mess up that blue. This didn't happen the first time that I used it, but it is like taking out a lot of product, so like I have to clean it up a little bit, which isn't like that big of a deal. But the mascara itself is so good that I'm okay taking extra steps to like take the product off of the wand before I use it, or just like clean it off of my eyebrows after I put it on. And then I'll use an old M.A.C mascara wand that I cleaned to kind of just separate it. So now that that's done, we're gonna go with actual lashes. We haven't had lashes in this channel for a while because your girl lost all of them. Oh, actually, never mind. Before we do lashes, listen, we're doing a funky makeup, so I can go in with my little white inner corner. You're not gonna take this one away from me. And then we're gonna go with the blue underneath with Replicant. I wanna use that underneath my eye. And then I'm trying to get a little bit of my eyelashes on my eyelashes. So to mix it, I'm gonna use just like a pencil brush just to kind of blend it out. Now we can do eyelashes. I got these little Flutter and Stare eyelashes from Sephora the other day. Like I said, I had already done this before. My issue was, it didn't happen this time because I took measures, but this is paper. This is all paper. So the first time I pulled them out of the container, it took the fibers from the paper with the eyelash. I'll put that clip on screen so you can see what I'm talking about, because the eyelash was glued to the paper. So I put a layer of eyelash glue on all of this so that when it sticks to the glue and like not the paper, to kind of create like that layer in between. All right, there we go. Oh, girl. I'm just gonna kind of mix these together. I love these eyelashes. I haven't worn eyelashes in so long. I feel so powerful when I have eyelashes on. I'm gonna go fix my hair and then we'll do lips. I always have to like kind of straighten my hair down a little bit after that, because then as I have the bandana up, my pollinita just like crispies up like that. I'm gonna do some gloss, but before I gloss, I want to do a little bit of pink lipstick, and then this is the Powdered Kiss liquid lip color from MAC. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. This smells so good. Every time I use it, I want to eat it. So this is gonna be a little bit like that. So it literally, I just want that little bit of color in the middle. And then the star of the party is, this is the Sephora lip gloss. I have been wanting this lip gloss for forever, but every time I went to my local Sephora, they never had it in stock. But last time I went shopping for my birthday and I found it. So, oh, I look at that. Immediately just like glitter everywhere. I will say the little wand is a little small, so I do have to go back in and like get a little bit more. But that's just me because I'm like a gloss whore, so I like to have a lot of gloss on. Oh, I love this so much. I love it so much. Look at this glitter. That's it. Really, I wanted to do like little sparkles and little hearts and little stars just like all over my face. It's not perfect. Obviously, you can see that, you know, I didn't do like a perfect job with like the eyeliner. It's not super clean. It's not super perfect, but Like I said, I don't really work with graphic liner. This is my second time ever working with graphic liner. The first time was this video with the cottagecore video with like all the little flowers and stuff. So I'm still kind of getting the hang of like the brushes and how like the different eyeshadows have different consistencies. Practice makes perfect. We're just here to have fun and try new things. At the end of the day, you know, it's just makeup. You just take it off and try again next time, and with time you perfect your techniques, right? So I'm not mad at how it came out. Again, it's not perfect. I'm sure that there are plenty of people out there that can do a way better job than me at this, but it's mine and I think it looks incredibly cute and I'm feeling myself. And like I said, I did try it before and it was bigger. Everything was bigger. So the second time around it was a little better. So practice. Right. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If there's anything else that you would like to see me do or try in the channel, please let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also follow my socials. It is at got_Moxxie with 2 X's on everything. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and had as much fun as I did. Bye.